Traded my Stetson for a helmet of steel, traded the saddle for a muddy ordeal. Back home in Texas, the sagebrush is dry underneath the white and an endless blue sky. But here in the Delta, the air is so thick, the heat and the waiting, it makes a man sick. I dream of the canyons and the cattle on the hill while I'm lying awake in a night that's too still. I'm a cowboy, riding a long way from home, trading the range for this jungle to roam. No rodeo glory, no crowd in the stand, just a rifle and worry and these shaking hands. I miss the Rio Grande and the dusty terrain, just a Texas boy lost in the monsoon rain. They put me on a chopper, a big iron bird, the loudest machine that I ever have heard. It bucks and it kicks like a Mustang untamed, flying over valleys that haven't been named. I treat it like roping, I hold on tight, praying we make it through the heat of the fight. But I give all my pay just to be back today, riding my old horse galloping away. Cause I'm a cowboy, riding a long way from home, trading the range for this jungle to roam. No rodeo glory, no crowd in the stands, just a rifle and worry in these shaking hands. I miss the Rio Grande and the dusty terrain, just a Texas boy lost in the monsoon rain. Mama wrote a letter, said the crops are looking fine, said Dad's fixing fences along the county line. I read it by torchlight, wiping sweat from my eye, and I swear I could see that big Texas sky. Just for a moment the war disappeared, and the sound of the cattle was all that I heard. I'm a cowboy, riding a long way from home, trading the range for this jungle to roam. No rodeo glory, no crowd in the stand, just a rifle and worry in these shaking hands. I miss the Rio Grande and the dusty terrain, just a Texas boy lost in the monsoon rain. Lost in the rain, a long way from Austin, just wanna ride home. Yee-haw!
Preacher, the Austin rode into town, preaching balance, doom and deadly sin around. Six sins he pointed out with pride: booze, greed, lust, wrath, pride, and naive. The town was chaos, Natasha ran the bordello. Star-Lord was flashy, Draxler kept rolling, Dr. Gamma rolled dice, Scarlet raced the streets, Peter Spiderson slacked off, Buckle just drank, Sheriff Captain Amerigo drunk, could not resist. Then Austin's wrath was too strong, he had no force to persist. Low-key, the sneaky sidekick watches all the mess, the town under the nose, sun and chaos and distress. Half the town behind iron bars, empty streets beneath cold stars, silence echoes through shuttered doors. The nose and rains and sorrow pours, the wind whispers tales of those locked away. A lonely town where shadows play. Tony Hammer forged a magnetic cross, Natasha handed it to her sister yelling, attach the keys discreet. With clever hands and silent moves, she stole the keys to set the captives loose. Heroes drinking loud in front of the preacher's hall, provoking the Norse and laughing, having a ball. He aims to lock them all inside, but Yolanda stole the keys, his power tonight. He calls to Loki, come help me quick. I'm the master of trickery, don't forget it's slick. No keys, no way, the plan falls apart. The Nasen ends up serving drinks, it's ready to depart.
Steve Pekin Rogers hides behind the trees, watching Tasha like a deer in the breeze. He's got a big old crush, but no guts to speak. Just a heart that pounds and knees that creak. Tora Dinklaw's flexing, showing off his might, preaching about health with a flex and a bite. Then Clint Bow shouts about the skies. Bigfoot's real and the government lies. The beer flows steady and the tails grow tall. At Rusty Shield, they're believing it all. Now that Rusty Shield RV, life's a redneck show, where the beer flows cheap and the tempers blow. We bicker, we holler, but when the grill's hot, we're a rowdy crew, giving all we've got there. Bruce Coach Bender is her resigned spouse, parked on the couch in their rundown house. Toby Sparks beside him with a new scheme to sell. Let's make big money, but don't ask me how it will fly. Tasha Romanoff's hollering at the store, why does my beer cost more than before? She's mad as fire, but she'll let it slide once the grill's fired up and it's party time outside. Light Rusty Shield RV, life's a redneck show, where the beer flows cheap and the tempers blow. We bicker, we holler, but when the grill's hot, we're a rowdy crew, giving all we've got nerve. Tasha's drinking beer with a laugh and a wink. Clint Bow's stories push her to the brink. When the night grows quiet and the stars align, she sneaks to Clint Bow's trailer for a little more time. Under possum fur blankets, secrets are made, while Bruce snores on, their tryst won't fade. Look at Rusty Shield RV, life's a redneck show, where the beer flows cheap and the tempers blow. We bicker, we holler, but when the grill's hot, we're a rowdy crew, giving all we've got. So here's to Tasha, Bruce and the gang, Stevie, Clint, Bo, Toby, and Tor's workout slang. Rusty Shields RV, rockin' till the break of light, where every day's crazy and every night's bright.
Like stew. The tall one talks, the short one screams, the rest keep having cry. Yo, no home, no God. Yo, can't see the sun. Heave-ho! Under that sun, burning bright till the fight is done. Heave-ho! Fortune's gone. We just sing that jungle song. They say a pirate's life for me, but this war ain't no fantasy. Parley hell, there's none to call, just echo shells by the bamboo wall. Gold for the generals, dirt for the men. We'll burn it all and do it again, like black man said in the jungle rain. Fear's a fire that keeps me sane. Heave-ho! Under that sun, burning bright till the fight is done. Heave-ho!
Ką čia darei?
Gal, iki galo
Ką tu čia darei?
Ir va ten niurzga eina, va, žiūrėkit, va, video, matosi, va, niurzga. Nepatenkint.
Jėzau, pozuotojas, Dieve, tu mano. Žvaigždė, likimo dovana.
Jūs patys, kai saulėgrąžos esat.
Gražus.
Jo.
Nu greičiau riedam, Jėzus, smagiai.
Lūpėtis yra.
Sukišo ir būdą ir paliko.
Ko tu čia vaidini? Čia kaip tik ir reikia užpakalius filmuoti.
Jėzus, smagiai. Protėja.
Aš turiu filmuoti. Ką? Ką aš blogo padariau? Nu, pamajokit lopai. Yeah!